So guys, we're back at it with another Makeup Monday. This Monday we're going to be doing another Lady Gaga look, and the look is going to be the John Wayne, Joanne kind of look where she's wearing the pink hat and the pink blazer. I don't really have much pink clothes, so today we're going to be wearing a Kiss outfit, which I feel like could look really nice with this makeup look. So let's go ahead and get started. The first step that I'm going to do today is my foundation. Y'all basically know what my routine is. Y'all probably have your own routine. So now that I have wrapped up my foundation, I am going to jump in with my highlighter and my contour. It's not a very contoury, highlighty kind of look, but I just like the added definition. Same thing underneath the eyes. How was everybody's week today? So my week's been good. I've been in quarantine, finding things to do. I have been actually very busy, which has been nice, but it's also been very stressful as well. Had a bit of a breakdown yesterday, but I'm okay. I'm okay. Beautiful. Now we're going to do the contour. So the reason why I decided to do this look next was I was looking through the archives of the music videos to find the looks that I wanted to do, and I realized that a lot of the looks that I like and I wanted to portray were like red lipstick kind of looks. And nothing wrong with red lipstick kind of looks, but I do want to provide like different looks, not just like the iconic red looks. So I thought, okay, well then we'll start off with the most neutral, since last week we did a little bit more of the red vintage glam with the bang bang. And so today we're doing this look. And it's a very pretty look. It's definitely a look that you can wear every day. I'm going to be wearing it today. And it's like a silvery gray sort of look. So I mean, it's very pretty. It is very pretty. It's like 9 o'clock Easter Sunday. It's great. And then a little bit on this nose here. Now what I'm gonna do is just set everything in place, let it sit, not choke myself on this powder. I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics powder, translucent. I just have it sit while I work on the eyes. Don't inhale. So if you look at these shots, I got two shots together. I got a side angle and then a front angle. And if you look at the side angle, it looks very cut crease-like. And then if you look at the front angle, it looks not as cut crease-like. So it's a pretty shimmery look. So I thought, what better way to pair it than with Haus Labs. I do have quite a few of these, so don't judge. Am I obsessed? I am pretty obsessed. The products themselves are quite quality. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with Angel Baby along with Biker to kind of create this look. But the first step that I'm always going to take is doing my eyeshadow primer. And then just to set it in place and give it kind of a naturally tone, I'm gonna go in with a brown tone, kind of like this, neutral brown tone for myself, and just go ahead and pack it on the eyelid to make sure that the primer is set in place. So as I said, we're going to be going in with Angel Baby first, and from what it looks like, it's literally all over the lid. So we're gonna go in with it and go all over the lid, mixing it up. I usually like to put it on my hand first and then apply. Maybe that's weird, maybe it's not, I don't really know. But that's what I usually enjoy doing, so that is what I'm going to do today. Put it all over my lid. And it's a very like pinky, glittery kind of color. So, and it really looks nice with the, what is it called? The Joanne look. It's a good face. So what did you guys think about this album? How did you guys like it? I remember when I first heard it, I was mixed on it. I was definitely mixed. I feel like I really loved the jazz album, and I loved art pop, like a lot. So when this one came out, I was like, oh man, it's really country-like. Don't know if it's my style. But of course, as time progresses, you become more and more obsessed. And that is exactly what happened. I ended up really liking a lot of songs off the album after giving it some time. And yeah, I mean, it's a different point in her life, you can tell. But it's definitely a good part of her life. Not a good part of her life, but it's, I don't know how to explain it, you know. It's not a good part, but then it's also like good because it's an album about her aunt or for her aunt. I don't know. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it a lot. So now that we have Angel Baby all over our eyelids, what we're going to do next is take Biker, and we're going to do Biker kind of as a cut crease. So I'm going to start it down here and crease it around and basically blend it out to create the cut crease appeal. Biker is kind of like a silvery tone. For this one, I need to bring the mirror closer because I gotta see what I'm doing. And just take it. Next step that I see here is the eyeliner, and the eyeliner is for the most part on the upper lash line and then the lower lash line as well. I cannot tell through the music video if she's given herself a cat eye or not, so I'm just going to wing it and do a little bit of a cat eye with it. She has hers pretty thick, but I think for like the day-to-day basis, the thickness ain't my style, so I'm gonna keep it a little bit on the thinner side. I hope we'll see how I can do with the next day. Perfect. And the one thing that I realized that I didn't add last time was her mole. Her authentic mole that's in a place that everyone would always want. So it's right underneath her, this eye. What is this, my right eye. I'm gonna add that dot right here. Perfect. And then from there, we're going to dust off our cheeks because they still have the powder on them. And then go in with your mascara. You can go in with some false eyelashes. I would probably suggest it if you're trying to replicate this look to a T. But since my day is not going to be very extravagant, really it's going to be probably just going to my storage unit and then coming back. Happy Easter! I'm really not going to need all of that sass. So, natural eyelashes in for the win for me for today. But overall, I would totally suggest the falsies because looks like she has them lightly on the edges from this picture that I have here. Hope everybody's Easter was good, since this is going to be dropped tomorrow. Sorry I'm not really feeling it today. It's part of my paid programming here, right? You know, Makeup Mondays, but I just woke up really tired today, and I knew I had to do this video, and I'm into it, and I love the way the makeup has come out, but I'm just like tired today. I had, like I said, a meltdown yesterday with myself, just thinking about life, things I need to do. This quarantine, man, this quarantine has you thinking all sorts of stuff, man. You just are sitting at home all day and you're just like, okay, like I want to do things, but I can't do things. I'm going in with some highlighter on my cheeks. But yeah, you know, you're just like, I want to do things, but I can't really do things. And then like the reality of things being back to normal after all of this is not really something that's going to happen. So it's just like, what do you do in this time frame? So yeah, a lot of thinking yesterday, but we're here, and I promise to bring you guys a more positive attitude next week. And just overall in general, I don't think I'm being negative. I just, like I said, it's been a tough past few days in my brain. But lastly, now we're going to go in. I was actually going to go in with Venus, but I'm looking at this picture and it's definitely Blaze. We're gonna go in with our lip gloss, and the lip gloss that it really looks like she's wearing is Blaze, if I'm honest. So I'm going in with the Haus Labs Blaze lip gloss, which, by the way, I've been trying to convert all of my friends because I've never really been a lip gloss kind of person. Let's talk about this real quick. I've never been a lip gloss kind of person. And I got this lip gloss, and when I got it, I was like, all right, well, you know, we'll see how it goes. It is what it is. And I've just been obsessed with it lately. Like, obsessed with it. And it's just, when you try it on, it doesn't create that smack. Let me show you. Its applicator is like a beautiful ballet slipper. You can see it, and just like, it's great. I can put it on. But yeah, it doesn't like smack at all, as you can tell. And it's just, I don't know, it's good. And like the color is just, it's vibrant enough for your everyday. It's just, anyone who asks me, hey, what kind of like lip gloss do you like, do you wear? Like, this is all I wear, and I want to buy the rest of the colors. I so far have Venus, Blaze, like dark red one, and then I think Corset. And I love them all. They're all for different reasons. Like, I really loved Venus when I first got it. And then when I got Blaze, Blaze became my like next favorite, because just, you look at it, it's dark, it's, I love it. I'm obsessed. But that basically sums up, actually no it does not, just kidding. And then after I've put on this beautiful foundation, what is this, blush, what is this, my lipstick, lip gloss, I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of blush to open up those cheeks, just a little bit. But yeah, this completes the look. It's pretty easy. I would probably rank this a like 6 on the scale. 10 being the hardest. Only a 6, maybe a 5 or 6. Only reason why I think it's tough is I think the eyeliner sometimes can be tricky, especially doing the bottom lash line. I've never been one to put it on my waterline, so that's probably why it doesn't look completely identical, but this is basically the look. Angel Baby, biker, some primer. My eyebrows are naturally dark, so I'm not really gonna go in and fill them in. This is basically an all Haus Labs makeup look. I just noticed that. This is an all Haus Labs makeup look. We had the Blaze, we had the biker, we had the Angel Baby, and we had the freaking eyeliner. What? Okay, alright. But yeah, I hope you guys like this little quick tutorial thing. We'll be back next Monday with another look. If there's any looks that you like from any of the previous albums, definitely let me know. We still have to do the first 4 albums. I have my list, but some of them I'm not sure. So if there's specific looks that you guys want to see, definitely let me know and I can get those cracking for you guys. Thank you guys again for watching. I appreciate it, and y'all have a good rest of y'all's Easter week celebration.